Hey, are you looking for the Office of Undergraduate Research? It's in the Bond Life Sciences building. I'm Carson Gaddy. I'm a freshman studying biological sciences, and I'll show you the way. Come on up. The office is right down this hallway. Hey Delaney, how are you?
Hey Carson, what's up?
Delaney, this is a freshman who's interested in undergraduate research. If you have any questions for us, just check us out on our socials at Twitter or Instagram. I've got to head out to my lab now, but it was great to meet you. I'll see you around campus.
Hey, welcome to the office. I just finished my peer advising hours. Peer advising allows new students like you an opportunity to ask ambassadors what their research is like. I can help you draft an email to professors or just hone your interests. We can even browse your department's website together. I love doing peer advising because it helps me learn what else is going on campus and what students are interested in. Our mission is to support mentored undergraduate research, scholarship, and creative activity in a premier research environment. We strive to advance a culture where all students can engage in quality research and creative scholarship, no matter their age or field of study. At the Office of Undergraduate Research, we help you find your interests and get involved in research. And don't think you have to be wearing safety goggles in your lab coat to do research. Students from all fields like archaeology, painting, or poetry can get involved in research at Mizzou. We host events like the Visual Arts and Design Showcase to highlight work from every discipline. There are so many benefits to getting involved in research. Research helps students develop critical thinking skills, improve communication skills, and build strong relationships with faculty. Not only that, but students who do research get exposed to content in their field before they take courses in the subject, giving them an advantage in the classroom. Research opens a world of opportunities too. Students can present at conferences all over the country, like at Posters on the Hill in Washington, D.C., and can even travel the globe, often with funding from our office. Additionally, presenting your research is a great way to build your network before tackling graduate school applications or job interviews. The first step is to see what interests you. What classes do you find most interesting? Which professor do you really like? What questions do you want answered? Identifying your interests is the first and most important step to getting a successful research position. Next, you should reach out and prepare yourself for research. The ambassadors are a great place to start. We can answer your questions and let you know what events and workshops could be right for you. We can also share our experience getting involved in research and some tips and tricks on how to communicate with faculty effectively.
In my opinion, a great place to start for someone interested in pursuing research at Mizzou is to contact one of us. If you go on the undergrad research website, you can find the list of current ambassadors, and we all have a little questions box you can click to shoot us an email. Any questions you have, even if you feel like they might be stupid questions, they're not. Don't be afraid to ask us, and we'd love to help you. That's why we're here.
The ambassadors are a great resource, but there are other ways to get involved with our office as well. Check out our social media, our website, or shoot a member of our staff an email. We're always here to help. Thank you so much for stopping by our office today. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out on social media or use our website to ask any of our ambassadors. And you can always stop by here in the Bond Life Sciences Center. Welcome to Mizzou, and I'll see you around.